Picked up a very heavy duty air conditioner locally from a guy. Seems to be working really well. It's a 17,400 BTU air conditioner. Runs on 220 volts. Very, very heavy duty. So I have that in there, and it's temporary. I just kind of threw that in this door opening. Why I have that in there is because I want to keep my tractor cool. Well, that's nice, but I have nukes I bring in here for a couple of nights to hopefully keep them homed in the boxes, and I want them to stay cool. So that's the skinny on that. Today is my incubator day. Today and tomorrow, to be honest. These queens seem to emerge the day before and the day of. So what I've got is I've got the hair roller cages so they can emerge, but I only have 10. So I have these here. See if there's any popped out. My little light here. That one is not. Oh, there she is. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to bring her over here and get her in a JZBZ cage. I don't know if I can film that or not. It's crawling around in my hand. I'm trying to get it down so you can see it. Hopefully she just crawl right in there. Shake her down so don't pinch her legs. And Bob's your uncle. So, cage virgin. Very nice. So what I need to do is I need to take that and get her into a queenless nuke ASAP. Got two here out. Go down the hole. Alright, so we got another one here. And there's a third somewhere. No, don't fight. There's two of them here. Okay, you go in a cage. Oh, shoot. Okay, there's three. These virgins, they don't fly, so this is a pretty easy operation. I'm sorry I don't have my tripod to show you what I'm doing. Uh-oh. What did I do? Just go up in the cage. There we go. 4. What I'll do is I'm going to check the hair roller cages, and if I empty any, I will put these. I'll put these in the hair roller cages. So she's out, and she's in there. Trust me. And I can just can I do this sort of thing, encourage her a little bit. No, she's down in there now. Snap that shut. I might start marking these, but today's not that day. There's another one right here. Playing with bugs. Okay, girl. Come on up into your new cage. So she's in there. I'm just always paranoid to, if they get up in there and get a leg caught in that lid as I snap it closed. Here's another one. Kind of pinched her with my hand. I wonder if it didn't hurt her. She wants to crawl up. Well, that's quite a few. Well, we got 2, 4, 6, 7. This is number 8. It's a little dot of my honey in the bottom for them to snack on. Actually, no, it's not honey. I put fondant. The same fondant that I have on the cage. Oh, she's really got a grip there. I shake her down and she's really hanging on. All right. Okay, so I've got 3 more here. Not in hair roller cages. I've refilled the hair roller cages that I just emptied, and so we'll wait another few hours. Can't see that. That's gone down to 29. I don't know that they agree. That says 32. I trust the incubator more. It's a pretty precision incubator. And I have a whack of queens here. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 nice virgin queens, so we need to go over and get those into queenless hives, and that's a good thing. That's the whole point, right? Right on. What I've got here is a bunch of nukes in different stages of queen mating, or queenlessness, to be honest. So I've got a few here that are queenless, and you'll see the marks on the lid. I've been marking them R1, R2, R3, R4. These are R4s that I have, and that just simply means round 4. And so what that does is it gives me a reference for the timing on those queens. When, if they're a cell, when they'll emerge, and then the subsequent virgin mating time, so then I can check for eggs, etc. So my R1s are actually just about ready to be checked for mating. Laying. So I've got some R2s here, and I've got some queenless nukes. And what I've been doing with my virgin queens, I got a pocket full of virgins here. That sounds crazy out of context, doesn't it? So here's my little sweetheart right there. So we're gonna get her in there. She can eat some of that fondant while she's trapped. And what I've been doing is I'll actually do this right in my building sometimes. I'll cage this right out of the incubator and then turn around, and I'll just stuff it down through the feed plug on the top bars. It's warm, so I don't have any concerns about chilling. We'll see how that works out with the release and whatnot. We'll check a few of these. So that's what I'm going to do here. Gotta have a swig of coffee first. And the nice thing about doing it this way is you don't have to dress up. Pretty hot day. It's over 30 degrees now. That south wind, you can hear the wind, and when we get a south wind like that, by cracky, it warms up here pretty fast. Okay, I'll start over here. These have been queenless long enough that they should be fine for direct introduction. They eat this fondant pretty fast anyway. So just pull the feed plug. I can see lots of bees in there. I'll lay her right in there on top. Bob's your uncle. So what I need to do is I need to mark this round 4. I have been marking some R1V, R2V, R3V just to give me a cue that I have directly introduced, or that I have introduced that virgin in a cage. Okay, So they seem really happy to see her. Hopefully they're happy to see her in a good way. Some of these have a few more bees than others, but so round four. Once these mate, then I can take them to use in different colonies to requeen, or I can let this nuke grow and winter it on about 6 frames. 6 framers seem to winter quite well here. I'm gonna check these. She's not the strongest nuke in the world, but hopefully she can help them with that. Not concerned about the temperatures. That nuke is almost non-existent, so I'm not going to put her in there.